Hello and welcome. This is a 16 valve alloy radiator with the fan wrongly wired up. This is a faulty 2-speed fan resistor, and this is a 16 valve fan wiring diagram. Like everything, it's easy when you know how. I now understand this lot, so I'll explain it to you. That's the battery permanently feeding a 25 amp fuse. Juice goes from the fuse through the fan motor and then through the resistor to give the low speed fan when earthed by the thermal switch on the radiator. If the switch gets hotter, it sends current to a relay which bypasses the resistor to give the high speed. I need to test the wiring into and out of the fuse. The fuse and the relay are under the passenger dashboard shelf on a panel with some other relays. That's the fan fuse. I'm sorry that's so bright down there. Let's have a look at the fuse. We'll test the fuse first. So it has a burn mark on it, which you probably can't see, but I'll fit another one. Now let's test the terminal, see if we've got juice. You can't really see it working. Oh, there it is. Yeah. So there's a red wire live from the battery and a light blue wire feeding the fan. Now I'll test the light blue output. Yep, that's okay. So let's follow that blue wire over to the fan motor. So we're in the engine compartment and there's our blue wire. So we follow that around the loom and it goes into a heat shield and comes out red. I wonder why. Let's have another look at the wiring diagram. It should definitely be blue. I cut that silver crap off and there is the blue wire cut off for some reason. I didn't have any blue cable, so I had to use a new piece of red. This is a new fan resistor. Let's get the old one off. You can just get it with the radiator in place with a stubby screwdriver. Here's our new one. I'll compare terminals before I disconnect the old one. That's got spade clips where the old one has screw fittings. I'll cut the old cable off and fit spade terminals. That's done, and a double one for the high speed resistor bypass. With the new resistor fitted and the blue wire extended, I'll test the two speeds of the fan by earthing after and before the resistor. Low speed, high speed, so I'm doing the job of the heat switch on the radiator. So it's time to test the system. I have the heat switch out of the radiator ready to put in the kettle. There's the low speed. And there's the high speed. I love it, controlling a delta with a puff. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.